Hey folks, though this video is not going to be on a Tesla car review, but it is on something that might allow you to actually buy a Tesla. And by the way, I've just lost my voice here the past few days, so apologies for the coarse voice. Let's have a look at a way so you can generate income. This is an actual trade I just did, and some Clubhouse members made a lot of money in this. In fact, one guy made $12,000, Tim Harris. So let me show you guys how this trade works. Very straightforward and high probability. So what we had here in Tesla, in shares of Tesla, is an opportunity to basically play the stock both ways, and I'll show you here how this works. So basically, the stock had a very strong rally December 2016 all the way into these highs here in February 17. Well, it was a very low probability trade to chase that higher after some time, as the stock was just basically getting very exhausted. So we had an opportunity to basically sell out of the money call spreads, and if this is beyond you already, hear me out, okay? Sell out of the money call spreads and basically make a bet that the stock here at this point, when it got very exhausted, visibly got exhausted, make a bet that instead of making a bearish bet, we said, listen, the stock isn't just most likely isn't going to rise much above $300 at the time. Then of course you can see that the stock pulled back. In fact, the stock did pull back about 15%, which is not meaningless. And then we had a very strong, what I call bullish reversal day, particularly if you look at this on a bit of a further out time lens. You can see you had a very strong bullish reversal here by that little candle here. We call these things candles, in case you're new to the channel. And that was an opportunity to close this trade, the bearish trade or quasi-bearish trade, and leg into a bullish trade. And that's where we sold out of the money put spreads. Some guys also bought calls and call spreads, and basically made a lot of money. So this is a really conservative way of looking at the market by making bets of where the stock is most likely not going to go, as opposed to where you think it might go. It's a completely different way of thinking. It's how a lot of the pros think that I've worked with throughout my career, and the people that I speak with on a weekly basis, still in the hedge fund community and on the institutional desk. So this is an opportunity to to use a strategy that is great for income, whether you have a job, a part-time job, or whether you're retired, semi-retired. If you're looking for retirement income, it's a wonderful way, and you can make a lot of money. So what I would like to do is I'd like to invite you guys to an Options Income Secrets webinar. It's going to be Tuesday, April the 11th at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 o'clock Pacific. Make sure you register for that, because if you register for it, you'll also get sent the recording for it. The registration link is down below in the video description. I really hope to see you guys there. Income is an essential part of for any trader and investor. You don't want to just look for the big bonus. You want to have some sort of an income, because it's really important psychologically to remain in the right frame of mind. So I'm going to give this voice a little bit of rest. I hope to see you guys on April 11th at 7 p.m. Eastern, 4 p.m. Pacific for a very special webinar on generating income using the options.